Gmail not working and keep crashing, right? So how you can fix this? Well, this is very easy and interesting way you can just easily fix it out. First of all, just go to Play Store, and once you're here on the top right search bar, go there and search for Gmail. Now here, this is Gmail. You have to update your Gmail right now, so just click on update. Right, so once you have updated your Gmail here, now try to open it up. If this works, then it's great. If it's crash again, then here I'm going to show you the solution. Open the settings of your phone. Right, go to the app section here. So let me take you to my app section. Go to the app management and search for Gmail. Right, so basically app management is where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. Go to the storage usage, clear cache. Right, and this is very important. So if you just clear your data, because this is very important, if you just clear your data, make sure that you have to re-log in into your Gmail. But if you just clear your data 100%, it will fix your problem. Right, the another solution, you can just force stop and just try to reopen your Gmail and it will work perfectly fine. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.